Hi, I'm Lee Dwyer from Infill Property and welcome to a construction update at Pinnacle Field on the north side of Brisbane.
Talk to me, I love that sound.
As you can see behind me, we've got the channel and the curbing going in with the road set for completion in October 2023 and our civil completion will be November 2023. At this point, we'll have titles registered in December 2023 to have settlements this side of Christmas. We look forward to keeping you updated on further developments on the property. For further information, feel free to call me on 0439 111 899 or lee@infillproperty.com.au.